Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. From this video we are going to start exploring this inventory management system that we cloned and configured in the previous video. So let's just start the server. Okay, so you can see we have the basic Laravel application with the register and login button. I think we have seen that we have provided the admin credentials for this. So let's see if um, first let's check the web.php if there is any admin route in this. By search for admin, no, there is none. So which means using the admin credentials we can log into the login form that is right here. So let's log in. We have seeded the database already, so we should have some pack data seeded, and for that we can check the database seeder. And here we have called the user seeder, category seeder, unit seeder, product seeder, and we are creating customers and suppliers. And why is this showing error? Maybe the indexing is still in pending, that's why it's creating product code or something. So let's see the login page. Okay, it's tabular. Let's log in with admin and password. Okay, so here we have the dashboard. We have products, orders, purchases, quotation pages, and settings. And then we are here as the admin. So let's see our profile. Okay, so let's update our profile. I'm gonna put the username as Tauseed Zaman. Full name is Tauseed space Zaman, and the email is tauseedzaman@gmail.com. Okay, so we got an error. We have the debug bar, so we can have a look at it. Column not found, we can also see that error here. But using the debug bar, we can dig deeper and we can see when the SQL queries and where they were executed. Eloquent user provider, it's coming from the validation, livewire, zero exceptions. So let's see the post request which is sent to the also we see the migrate button. We already have migrated the things, but let's look at the web.php and the profile. Post request, patch request, yeah, patch is used for update. So here we are the profile controller update method, and its name, not a username. Oh, here we have a username as well. So let's see the users migration. If we have this username in here, and you can see we do not have. So let's we have name is in the username, so let's add a username in here. Because if we look at the UI, let's go back, you can see it has a username, full name. Full name is a name, and it's not even using the name username to log in with. So still it have the username. So if we look at the user model, the user migration do not have that field. But if we look at the user model, we have name and username. So which means either it's added with a second migration, like we can add fields to migration using the, like, creating other migrations after it, like create migration, add username to users table, something like that. But here we can add directly, so we don't have anything like that, you can see. So we were gonna add a username field in it, and should we make it nullable? And to confirm that, we can look at the register page. So let's open that in the new private tab. The username is not in here, so let's make it nullable. So I'm gonna save this and remigrate the migrations, because we made the changes in here. So the username field should be added now, passing the fresh and dash dash seed. So it's gonna load the data from the seeders, and let's serve the application again. And now we can close this tab because we don't need it anymore. And I'm gonna refresh the profile update page and update my profile again. So let's fill the form. Let's update, click on update, and our data has been updated, but there is something wrong with the success message, as well as the updated image is not loaded. So let's go to the profile controller and edit method. Here we have the profile update things, and this is the profile picture. It's loading it from if this a photo, then load it from here, otherwise load the default one. So let's check where is that photo stored. If we look at the update method, it is checking that, and then get client original extension and path, and if there is an existing one, then delete it and store the updated one. uh, all of this is happening inside the app statement. If the photo is provided, you can see this block. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it's stored in the public slash profile. Let's put it this way. So I think it's already pointing to that. Let's edit. Let's refresh the page and use the developer tool to see what is the URL of this image. Why is it not loading? Profile slash and then that string. Let's see where is this image in the storage directory. Storage, app, public, profile slash and then string png. Have we linked the storage? Okay, so now it's linked. I guess it should work, right? Okay, you can see it's working here, and hopefully it should work here as well. And you can see it's loaded the profile image. The profile stuffs are updated successfully. And then we have settings in here. Let's see what is inside settings. It's a profile slash setting page. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, so we have the password update thing here. Then we have two-factor authentication, and I assume that this is um, from the jet stream. And let's go back to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see we have the pipe products and pipe categories and 0 orders and 32 shipped, and then 0 purchases, 0 today, 0 quotation, and 21 today. And then we can create new order, and then we have here a notification action, another action. Seems to be this is static because you can see that and from here then we can create a new order invoice and stuff like that. So there seems to be a lot of work for us to do. You can see the notification is not working. The tabular, I think this is using the open source UI module. You can see it's sponsored, and we can view the source code documentation, and it's in version 1.0.0. Tabular, this is the open source project. You can see tabular is a free and open source HTML bootstrap UI kit built on Bootstrap. So this is all built upon this this thing, tabular bootstrap template. And then here we have the documentation, and this is that simple page again, that one. So from now on, we're gonna explore each of these tabs, and we will learn what are these and what it does and how it works, and we will learn together. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.